Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, why am I still seeing roaches after exterminating? Roach control is designed to be slower acting. Take Apex cockroach gel for instance. It's designed for the roach to eat it and then take it back with them to their nesting sites. Roach baits have attractants in them, and this might actually cause them to be seen more after applying. When using concentrates, you could easily disturb their nest and disrupt their habits, causing them to be seen more. Roach control takes time, and the problem will not disappear overnight. Sanitation is also a huge part and will help you evict the insects, unless you're more comfortable with charging them rent. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. You can easily disturb their nest and disrupt their normal habits, causing them to be seen more. Yes.